This AI and POV videos are blowing up already. Take a look at this account. This particular video has over 8 million views, and there is another one with more than 193 views. Let me play it so you can see what it looks like. Are you seeing it? This particular kind of video is blowing up, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create videos like this step by step so you too can create it and blow up like other creators. You know Digital Mama will always bring you updates, so please subscribe to this channel, click on the like button and share this video. So let's get started.
Go to ChatGPT and paste this master prompt. Okay, this prompt is the main prompt you need to start this niche. So if you want this prompt, type prompts in the comment section and I'm going to send it to you immediately. So once you are done, send the prompt and ChatGPT is going to respond, and it's going to respond with varieties of animals. So all you need to do is to choose from any of them, but I'll prefer you choose from the first one so you can just go down like that. So I'm going to choose number one. Okay, so that is going to give me the main prompts to bring out the video. Okay, so it's going to give you for image and videos. Okay, so then we are going to need a tool to generate our image and video, so we are going to be using Grok. Okay, so now I've opened Grok. Let's get back to our prompts on ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy the first prompt, which is an image prompt, okay, to get our image first. So after getting the image, then we are going to get the video. So copy and go to Grok, then click on imagine, and you're going to paste your prompt here to give us an image. Paste the prompt, then click on send. So naturally, Grok is going to give you different images, so just pick one from there that is very clear enough. So I'm just going to select this one, then I'm going to download it. So then I'm going to click on make video, but we need the video prompts. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Okay, copy the first video prompts, then you go back to Grok, then you're going to click on make video, then it's going to show the section where you're going to put in your prompt. But in case your Grok is on auto generate, just click on cancel so you can now paste your prompt down here. Okay, so paste your prompt and click on send. Okay, so the video is going to start generating immediately. So now you click on this these three dots here, then click on extend to continue the video to make it longer. So go back to the prompt and copy the third prompt. That will be the third prompt, but it's going to be the second video. You get the first prompt is image, second prompt is first video, the third prompt is second video. So copy it and go. Since we are extending the video, just paste it here and click on send. So the video is going to continue from there. Okay, so instead of a 6 seconds video, you're going to have 12 seconds. Once that one is done, you click on extend again, copy the fourth prompt, which is the third video, and you're going to add it. That's just how you do it until you exhaust all the prompts. So this is the fourth prompt, sorry, fourth prompt, yes, but third video. Okay, so you copy it and go back to Grok to do the same thing again. So click on the three dots, click on extend, then paste the third video prompt. Okay, then click on send. So the video will start generating immediately, and then we are going to have three videos. Just do the same thing for the rest of videos of the prompts. Keep extending until you exhaust all the video prompts. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to do that behind the camera and show you the end product.
All right, I'm sure you have gotten value from this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates like this on trending niches. Okay, so once the complete video is ready, click on this arrow to download. So now let's play the video so you can see the outcome.